Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, hands-on product reviews. Today we're diving into one of the best media streaming players for your TV, the Roku Ultra 2024. If you're in the market for a fast, cinematic, feature-packed streaming experience, this might just be your next big upgrade. Let's start with what you get in the box. You'll find the Roku Ultra streaming device, a premium HDMI cable, the all-new Roku Voice Remote Pro, and of course, the power adapter. The setup is quick, simple, and you're ready to stream in just a few minutes. Now here's the standout: speed. The Roku Ultra is 30% faster than any other Roku device, and it shows. The interface is super snappy, and apps launch nearly instantly. Whether it's Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV+, Hulu, or Prime Video, the response time is smooth and near instantaneous. Streaming quality is where this device really shines. You get stunning 4K resolution, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision support. Pair that with Dolby Atmos audio, and you're talking about cinema-level experience in your living room. Bright whites, deep blacks, rich colors, it handles all of it with ease. But let's talk about the remote. It's a game changer. The Roku Voice Remote Pro is rechargeable, meaning no more battery swaps. It's got backlit buttons so you can see clearly even in a dark room, and a handy remote finder if it ever slips between the cushions. The remote also supports hands-free voice control. You can just say, "Hey Roku," from across the room to launch apps, control playback, or even find your remote. No need to touch a button. And yes, it works seamlessly with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Connectivity is future-proof too. Roku Ultra supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more reliable streaming, especially in busy households. There's also Bluetooth support to pair headphones for private listening, and even an Ethernet port for those who want the most stable connection possible. And if you're using the Roku mobile app, you can enable private listening, use your phone as a remote, or cast media directly to your TV. It's sleek and intuitive, so if you're looking for a premium, no-compromise streaming experience, the Roku Ultra 2024 delivers in every way. Speed, picture and sound quality, smart controls, and future-ready connectivity, it's all there. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more expert insights and tech breakdowns. Would you pick this over an Apple TV or Fire TV? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.